today and request our guest of honor to please take center stage, Dr. Anil Tambe. Can we have a big round of applause? And Dr. Rekha Pradhan. And so members, welcome to Dr. Prashant Rathod's Ancient Secret presents Elixir Ocean of Opportunities, powered by Novocuro and supported by Aircraft Engineering Services, Dream Decor Gallery.
Pleasure in introducing Dr. Nishant Tambe. He will be introducing our guest of honor today.
Good morning, dear friends. I take the pleasure to introduce the chief guest for today, Dr. Rekha Pradhan. She needs no introduction. She has been an integral part of the medical fraternity in Thane for the past 6 decades. She has been working with Inner Wheel and organized several camps, medical camps as well as several school camps along with TMC. She has been a prominent giver in providing medical services for Varkari, proceed from Alandi to Pandharpur every year for the past 25 years. She's been practicing for the past 45 years and yet going strong. Under the umbrella of Inner Wheel Charitable Trust, she has organized several social activities as well for the past 25 years. So let's welcome the big round of applause, Dr. Rekha Pradhan. The second guest of honor, Dr. Anil Tambe. Privileged to be my father. I'm privileged to be his son, I'm so sorry. He's a prominent figure in medical fraternity and has completed 50 years of practice today, this year. He's a gold medalist of his batch. He's a senior most cardiologist in Thane and yet practicing at the age of 80 years. He has been the HOD of several hospitals in Kalwa. He's also been the founder member of Chhatrapati Shivaji Hospital, Kalwa. Then an honorary professor in Kerala Medical College, UY Patel Medical College, Rajiv Gandhi Medical College. He's a consultant senior cardiologist in Police Hospital, Thane. Senior cardiologist in Jupiter and Fortis Hospital. He's been awarded by TM as Thane Gaurav and Thane Bhushan by TMC. He's an awardee of 124 honors as a whole and 28 awards. He's published 13 books till now, which are on medicine and yoga. So let's welcome Dr. Anil Tambe.
Please sit down. Which is been organized on the 3rd floor. May I request Dr. Rekha to share few words on the importance of blood donation. She has been working with Inner Wheel for very noble causes for the past 5 decades. Members, Dr. Rekha Pradhan.
Hello everybody, good morning. आजच्या या आपल्या बिझनेस शॉपिंगमध्ये ब्लड डोनेशन हा अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा विषय तुम्ही मोटिवेशनसाठी घेतल्याबद्दल पहिलं म्हणजे मी ऑर्गनायझर्सचं अभिनंदन करते. त्याचप्रमाणे मला आपल्या लोकांशी ह्या एसटी ग्रुपशी संवाद साधण्याची संधी दिल्याबद्दल मी आपल्या ऑर्गनायझर्सचे आभार मानते. वैद्यकीय व्यवसायात असल्यामुळे ब्लड डोनेशन हा अत्यंत जिव्हाळ्याचा विषय आहे माझा. त्याचं कारण म्हणजे ज्या वेळेला तुमच्या पेशंटला ब्लडची आवश्यकता आहे असं सांगितलं जातं त्यावेळेला त्यांच्या जवळच्या लोकांची काय धडपड होते ती मी पाहिलेली आहे आणि त्यामुळे ब्लड अवेलेबल असणं ही अत्यंत महत्त्वाची गोष्ट. आता आपण ब्लड डोनेशनमध्ये काय ते पाहूया. आपल्या शरीरात साधारणपणे 5 लिटर रक्त खेळत असतं. त्यातलं फक्त 5 लिटर अर्ध्या लिटरपेक्षा कमी एवढं रक्त काढून घेतलं जातं. त्याच्यावर ब्लड बँकमध्ये व्हेरियस प्रोसेसेस केले जातात आणि ते स्टोअर केलं जातं. त्याप्रमाणे जेव्हा रिक्वायरमेंट येईल पेशंट त्या नेहमी विचारला जाणारा प्रश्न म्हणजे की आम्हाला याच्यापासून काय त्रास होतो. सहसा काहीच त्रास होत नाही. क्वचितच चक्कर येणं किंवा थकवा जाणवणं असं जाणवतं, पण हे फार थोड्या काळापुरतं असतं. त्याचं कारण म्हणजे जो प्लाझ्मा असतो तो लगेचच रिप्लेस केला जातो. विदिन 24 आवर्स तो रिप्लेस केला जातो. शरीरात स्टोरेज असतं त्यातनं तो रिप्लेस केला जातो. फक्त सेल्स ज्या असतात ब्लड सेल्स त्या रिकवर व्हायला वेळ लागतो. त्याला साधारणपणे 10 आठवडे वगैरे लागतं पिरियड. त्यामुळे 2 ब्लड डोनेशन्समध्ये तेवढं अंतर ठेवणं आवश्यक असतं. पण ते सुद्धा काम खूप शरीरातून फास्ट केलं जातं, कारण मेंदूला लगेच संवेदना जाते की अरे बापरे ब्लड कमी झालेलं आहे. मग 2 बॅरोला मेंदू लगेच संवेदना देतो की आता तुम्ही आणखी ब्लड सेल्स फास्ट तयार करा. त्यामुळे त्या फास्ट तयार होतात. अर्थात हे होण्यासाठी तुमचं शरीर तेवढं चांगल्या परिस्थितीत असायला लागतं. म्हणजे चांगलं न्यूट्रिशन, चांगलं फूड इंटेक हे त्यासाठी आवश्यक आहे. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे हे फार मोठं सामाजिक कार्य आहे. तुम्ही कोणाचं तरी जीव वाचवण्याचं कार्य करत असता. म्हणजे देवाची पूजा करण्यापेक्षा सुद्धा हे फार मोठं महत्त्वाची पूजा आहे. पण तुम्ही म्हणाल हे सगळं ठीक आहे, पण आम्हाला ह्याच्यापासून काय फायदा आहे. त्यापासून जसा पेशंटला फायदा आहे तसा ब्लड डोनेट करणाऱ्यालाही फायदा आहे. कारण हे ब्लड डोनेट केल्यामुळे ब्लडची विस्कॉसिटी म्हणजे जो चिकटपणा असतो तो कमी होतो. आणि विस्कॉस ब्लडमुळे जे होणाऱ्या आजार असतात, ब्रेन स्ट्रोक म्हणा किंवा हार्ट अटॅक म्हणा, ह्याचं प्रमाण कमी होतं. तसंच असं दिसून आलं आहे की रिपीटेडली तुम्ही जर ब्लड ट्रान्सफ्युजन केलं तर ब्लड प्रेशर कंट्रोलमध्ये ठेवण्यास पण त्याची मदत होते. दुसरं म्हणजे स्किनची क्वालिटी सुधारण्यास पण त्याची मदत होते. आता कोणी करावं तर साधारण 18 ते 60 या वयोगटातल्या लोकांना ब्लड देता येतं. त्यात तुमचं हिमोग्लोबिन 12.5 असायला लागतं आणि वजन किमान 50 किलो असणं आवश्यक असतं. त्यातून हेपॅटायटिस बी किंवा त्यासारखे जे तत्सम जे आजार आहेत ब्लडमधनं ट्रान्समिट होणारे ते आजार नसणं जरुरी असतं. अर्थात ब्लड बँकमध्ये ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तपासल्या जातात आणि मगच ते रक्त पुरवलं. तर हे सर्व लक्षात घेऊन ह्या चांगल्या कामाला आपण मदत करावी असं मी आपल्याला आवाहन करते. आणि जास्त वेळ तुमचा न घेता माझं बोलणं संपलं.
not your work. I had to go ahead. In fact, when I come to this organization like this, when I was invited, I immediately said yes. Why? Because though I am 80 now, but when I come to this organization like this, so many youngsters around me, and I see them working, I get new energy. I don't require tonic. This is a tonic. When I'm here, I see you working. So I feel that this is a sort of tonic for me, for my future path and progress. I still wish to progress in life. I don't say that I am 80 now. Okay, now sufficient. बहुत हो गया, ज़्यादा हो गया. क्यों कितना करने का अपना? Enjoy. No, I don't believe in that. I believe that everybody of us, like I tried, everybody of this organization member must go ahead and progress in life and try to achieve more and more awards. That is important. And your help while growing your business is also important to serve humanity, to serve mankind, and to serve society. These are the very important three principles in life. The moment you progress towards the peak, at the age of maybe 50, 60, 70, you will find that your respect in the society is far better than doing only business. Business is yes, important. It's a absolutely base for progress. Because for any progress, for anything, we require money. Without money, you can't do. So money is important. At the same time, equally, you must contribute to the society. Try to help the poor people and try to do best for the society. I am sure up till now also you must have done a lot of service to the society. You must be growing your business also mutually. So these organizations are very good that way. My Rotary, my Indian Media Association, my Cardiac Society of India, Physician Association, all these associations, we also do a lot of business. But same time, we do a lot of service also. So service, like Cargo Hospital and all. I take a lot of effort from Cargo Hospital to improve and to start it. We started medical college in Thana. What was the intention? Not that we want to become directors or principal, but because your aim was that our city people, our city students must get equal opportunity to get admission in medical college. I want to see more and more doctors. I am sure there are some of the doctors are there, including Nishan. So that should be one of the ambitions. I see a lot of different organizations here. I am very happy that different segments of society are coming together, forming uniformity, and at the same time contributing to each other for the progress. So with these few words, I don't want to talk more. With these few words, I wish you all the best for future and your progress and your organization grow up and spread the wings all over. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ramde. And may I
The people who have supported this program, our title sponsor, Dr. Prashant Rathod. Can we have Prashant stand, please? Let's give a big round of applause. Around everywhere, but she doesn't want to take center stage. Let's give a big round of applause to our support partners, Murli Ravindran from Galaxy Enterprises Hospital Management Services, Mahipal Joshi from Dream Decor, our V Green initiative. So you've heard Go Green in BNI, correct? So we have V Green today. Mr. Avinash More from BNI Impeccable. Let's give a big round of applause, guys. Tushar Palan from NKT Tailors, our apparel partners Tushar. We have Prachi Goyal from Clizo. Clizo, as you can see, is right there to the left of the room. We have our BNI Senior Director Consultant Ashish Iyer, who's been a rock solid support to this program. Ashish, thank you very much, BNI, for letting us execute this concept which was there in our minds. Our Director Consultant Sanjeev Verma, who's always been a support to us. Mr. Ganesh Saraya from Southern Capitals, who never says no to supporting any program and always there for a good cause. Let's give a big round of applause to Ganesh as well. We have Nikhilesh, who is a BNI Fellowship member. He is in the category of manufacturing generators and UPS. And Nikhilesh, when he heard about our concept, he was absolutely ready to support this only for the cause that there is. So let's give a big round of applause to Nikhilesh. Mr. Suraj Das from Aircom Engineering Services, being an impeccable member. Thank you, Suraj, so much for your support once again. Last but not the least, Sandeep Karekar from Karekar Jewellers for being our premium district partner today. And our committee, Mr. Mandar Datar, Vimal Rao, who is there, stuck at the... Let's give a big round of applause to Vimal, guys. Let's start with the registration counters. Some of our support partners here, Paragon Mobiles, Vipul Boricha, if you could just stand. Right. Sunit Gilkar, GST Logistics, Milind Manjari, AM Impex. Guys, thank you so much for supporting this program. Our regional trainer, Amay Pradhan. Amay will be taking center stage very soon, but Amay is right here. He's going to conduct the one-to-one conclave with Kedar. And with this, I request, so we have this initiative called We Green. Okay, so with that, I request Avinash, Ashish, if you could just present a token of We Green to Dr. I would request you to do the honors. Please present our We Green token to Dr. Anil Tambe. Sir. Last, can you have a big round of applause, guys? I'll request Sandeep Karekar from Karekar Jewellers. So guys, with this we declare Elixir Ocean of Opportunities open and you go home with a lot of business opportunities for yourself. Thank you so much for all your support, for being here. Of course, a little delay is inevitable. We apologize for that. There are going to be more delays. I apologize for that in advance. Well, guys, have a lot of fun and happy networking. Thank you so much. Yeah. So guys, please stand up for Deep Prajwalan and encourage our chief guest while they do so.
Pradhan. We warmly welcome our esteemed chief guest here with us today. Absolutely thrilled to have you, sir. PNI people here. We had a small reference generation round wherein we exchange our expertise, we talk about our success stories, and we put our credibility online to get business for others. Let us put a round of applause for all the members who have generated a lot of reference this morning. We have generated 547 referrals, and for all the members, all the non-PNI members here, all these referrals are bona fide. We keep a check on if the referrals get converted, what kind of business is passed on. I would like to request Dr. Wage to introduce our first chief guest.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure to introduce our first chief guest, guest of honor, Mr. Jatin Paranspe. A big round of applause for Jatin, please. So, Jatin generally doesn't need any introduction, but I try my best to do justice. How many of us love cricket here? Can I see a show of hands, please? All of us. And we take immense pride in playing ICPL. Do we? Can I hear a yes? Yes. At least people in Wizards and Northeast, all of us, we take a lot of pride in playing ICPL. So imagine somebody who has played for the country at the highest level. Can you imagine that? So ladies and gentlemen, we have Jatin who has played for India, the Indian cricket team. He's been a selector of the Indian cricket team. And nowadays, the passion and the fire for cricket is still burning, where his company is creating budding players. I mean, imagine being an India player, then going on to become a selector. And today creating a venture which has people growing from the grassroots level, becoming cricketers who they are, finding the new Bumrahs and the Hardik Pandyas for India through his venture, Khelo More. So we have all heard of Khelo More, right? So that is Jatin's brainchild, and he has academies all over Mumbai, especially one in Thane as well, which is in the memory of his father, Vasu Paranspe Cricket Academy, which is there on Thane College grounds as well. So ladies and gentlemen, an absolute pleasure, particularly being a cricket buff, to introduce Mr. Jatin Paranspe. Thank you for coming here. Thank you so much.
Our next chief guest is Advocate Vishwas Kulkarni. Nobody knows the face behind the name. A lot of lawyers in our field, they want to meet him, they want to be like him. May I request Advocate Vishwas Kulkarni to rise, please? So sir, a lot of members want to meet you. Nobody has had the chance to meet you yet. Sir is a luminary in his legal domain, a beacon of integrity and excellence. With a career marked in the legal acumen and unwavering dedication, he stands as a paragon of professionalism and commitment. Sir is admired for his integrity and dedication to serving. A man of few words, yet his silence speaks volume, echoing with the profound wisdom and insight. Today we have the honor of having Sir with us here too. Thank you, sir. Our next chief guest is Mr. Bhavesh Zanavlekar. So Bhavesh has a passion for cinema. He is a profound buff of reading. He has been reading a lot of literary books since his childhood. Bhavesh emerges as a towering figure in the vibrant arena of regional entertainment. He is the chief channel officer of Marathi Movie Cluster. His journey to the summit of success is woven with threads of dedication and passion. Under his astute guidance, the Talkies has blossomed into a platform that not only celebrates the rich cultural heritage of Maharashtra, but also nurtures emerging talent, pushing the boundaries of cinematic excellence. Bhavesh's unwavering commitment to quality programming has earned the channel a special place in the hearts of audiences across Maharashtra. The channel has also topped and crossed all the ranks in the ratings. Thank you, Bhavesh, for being a part here. May I invite Mr. Jatin Paranspe to share a few words.
Good afternoon, friends. It's with a lot of joy that I am present here today because I am with fellow entrepreneurs and I can see the vibrancy, the passion, the networking happening right in front of me, and I truly believe that as business owners, networking is also an extremely critical role which a founder has to kind of undertake. As you know, there are so many things a founder has to do. I often tell my friends that being a founder is like being in a air control tower at an airport, where you are just stopping planes from banging into each other and trying to keep the alignment across several functions of the business going. I used to be a cricketer earlier, and then after my cricketing days, I spent a decade and a little more than a decade at a company called Nike, which is one of the biggest sports brands in the world. And that was my introduction into corporate life. I spent some great times with them, worked on some really interesting stuff, and then became an entrepreneur. So that transition from having a corporate role to becoming an entrepreneur again is a very interesting one. I'm sure a lot of you all would have had corporate innings before you all started your own business, but I have nothing but the utmost respect for each and every one of you, because I know how tough it is to run your own show, how tough it is to pay your salaries on the first of every month, maintain your cash flows from month to month. We run a company called Khelo More, which has a very simple mission, and that mission is to bring easy access to sports for Indians, because I think all of us would have some level of interest in playing a sport or at least following sport. So we bring an easy access to sports for Indians. So you can download the app, and if you just put in your current location, it will throw up sports venues around you which you can book. Football turfs. How many of you all play box cricket here? So you have a lot of box cricket venues on the app, a lot of badminton venues. India has about 25,000 private sports venues, but we only have about 2,000 on our app across 10 cities, but we are onboarding supply as we speak. So the idea for Khelo More is just to bring access to sport for Indians, and we are seeing a lot of traction in it. And what Khelo More also does is it gives coaches and venues more business. So that was the reason the company was set up, to give the supply side more business through a technology platform. So again, hats off to all of you all for starting your own business and sticking to that business. There are so many cliffs and troughs along the way. There are so many times when you feel that how are you going to wake up the next day, and how is your business still going to be alive? But I often say that it's like batting on a tough wicket. Sometimes you just have to bide your time and just be at the wicket, because that is the most important thing at the end of the day. So Pranav, thank you for having me here. Enjoyed being here and really privileged to be here among so many business owners, and thank you for everything.
Can I request Ms. Prachi Goyal, Prachi from... Let's give a big round of applause, guys. Can I ask our title sponsor? And last but not the least, and with this I'll hand over the mic. Reference for each other. So I think utna to banta hai that we all make sure that we have reference for Amay at the end of the day. Agreed? Can we all make sure we have a reference for Amay one each at the end of the day? Yes. Super. Amay, thank you so much for your time and energy and your enthusiasm for the organization. Over to you, Amay.
Thank you, guys. So we'll conclude this round with an open networking session. What we have done is we've done 3 rounds of one-to-one networking, but that's power one-to-one networking. Golden rule, you got to follow up on these referrals. How are you going to follow up? एक वीडियो शूट करना है, जिसने आपको रेफरल जनरेट किया है, उसको वीडियो भेजना है, बोलना है थैंक यू फॉर जनरेटिंग अ रेफरल, The fortune is in the follow. So make sure you follow and hope that referral converts into business for you. We are now going to conclude with open networking for the next 30 minutes. So.
पायलट कन्सेप्ट दॅट वी आर रनिंग, जिथे आपले जे काही ठाण्यातले सगळे व्यवसाय मंडळी आहेत, मोस्ट ऑफ आर बिझनेसमॅन, वी कम टुगेदर टू डू अ मेगा ब्लड डोनेशन ड्राईव्ह टुडे, आणि इन रिटर्न वी आर नेटवर्किंग अँड कनेक्टिंग इच अदर टू देअर स्पेसिफिक आस्क ऑफ देअर बिझनेस. तर प्रत्येक व्यवसायाचा एक एक माणूस इथे आहे आणि आपल्या नेटवर्क स्पिअरमध्ये आपण एकमेकांना कनेक्ट करून एक एकत्र कसं ॲज अ कम्युनिटी ऑफ बिझनेसमॅन इन ठाणे आपण कसं वाढू शकतो त्याच्यावरती आज आमचा फोकस आहे. सो वैदेही, आय रिक्वेस्ट मिस वैदेही गुप्ते टू इंट्रोड्यूस आवर गेस्ट फॉर्मली. वैदेही, ओव्हर टू यू.
Mr. Virendra Tipnis, a visionary leader, is the driving force behind Lisa Line's transformative journey. It started with the introduction of the world's first miniaturized technology to monitor temperature exposure for the virus of polio. Polio eradication was the first project that Rotary had undertaken, and we are successful in that. Under his guidance, Lisa Line has pioneered groundbreaking solutions, setting new benchmarks for excellence. For the last 20 years, Lisa Line has expanded their product range and services with innovative technologies and unique solutions for cold chain management. Mr. Tipnis' relentless pursuit of excellence continues to shape the future of Lisa Line and inspire the entire industry. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. Our second chief guest, Mr. Vagule, a very prominent figure in Thane, needs absolutely no introduction. With a career spanning over decades, he has navigated the intricate fabric of Thane's political ecosystem with astuteness and resilience. His tenure has been characterized by grassroots, empowered initiatives, infrastructural development, and inclusive strategies. As a respected representative of the people, he has championed numerous welfare programs and spearheaded transformative policies that have uplifted communities across the region. I would like to thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us here. I would like to invite Mr. Karekar. Sir, thank you for coming.
Good evening, everybody, and thanks for inviting me, BNI, for this particular program. Well, first of all, let me say that you are all educated. At the same time, you already have taken some risk in your life by starting your own business, or you are already in this business. So, that is the first step you have already taken. You have to, of course, go many steps further. With my some experience, I would like to say that you know all most of the time what you are supposed to do for your business. But I think today I am really inspired by the program which you are conducting, which is a communication. Let me tell you, communication is the most important key in our business. Communication does not mean that it is only around this table, but when you step out anywhere, including your home, right from your wife, children, parents to the outside world, if you are able to communicate with them very nicely, and you can able to attract them towards you, or you can able to explain you what exactly you want to achieve, probably that is the best way of going forward. And success will only come through that. I can tell you, never ignore even a small person, never get an impression by the size of his business, but because my personal experience of almost 45 years in business is very clear that you never know, you will never ever know who will help you when. And that is the key. Please remember that and go forward. Communicate with yourself. Communicate yourself in a nice way. Whichever you meet in this business. Of course, you are all hardworking people. As I said, you are taking a risk. Go ahead. I wish you all the success for this particular day today for all of you and in your business career also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, दोन शब्द तुम्हाला
पॉलिटिकल बद्दल मी काय बोलणार नाही, कारण तुम्ही सगळे बिझनेसच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मवर आले होते. आज या ठिकाणी BNI संस्थेतर्फे आज CKP हॉल या ठिकाणी एक उद्योजकांना प्लॅटफॉर्म उपलब्ध करून देण्यासाठी आजचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला आहे. आणि BNI संस्थेला जवळजवळ 14 वर्ष पूर्ण झालेली आहेत आणि त्यांचं किती
20 वर्ष पूर्ण झाले. त्यांचं प्रथम या ठिकाणी अभिनंदन करतो की आज एक ब्लड डोनेशन कॅम्प या ठिकाणी केला आहे आणि जवळजवळ 125 ते 150च्या आसपास ब्लड या ठिकाणी ब्लड डोनेशन करणाऱ्या सर्व कार्यकर्त्यांनी या ठिकाणी डोनेशन केल्याबद्दल ज्यांनी ज्यांनी डोनेशन केलं त्याचं मनापासून या ठिकाणी अभिनंदन करतो. कारण ब्लड उन्हाळ्यामध्ये ब्लड डोनेशन कमी प्रमाणात होतं आणि अनेक रक्तपेढीची मागणी होती की बाबा रक्तदान करा. आता या ठिकाणी मला वाटतं वामनराव रक्तपेढी आणि रेड क्रॉस या दोन संस्था सकाळपासून आल्यात. ज्यांनी ज्यांनी ब्लड डोनेशन केलं त्यांचं पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन करतो. दुसरं VNI संस्थेचे जे पदाधिकारी आहेत डॉक्टर वागळे, डॉक्टर गौरी जोशी, वैद्य गुप्ते आणि माझे मार्गदर्शक म्हणजे मी लहानाचा मोठा यांच्यासमोर झालो पिपनीस सर. त्या ठिकाणी मी कॉर्पोरेटर नसताना त्यांनी मला बघितलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे ठाणे कॉर्पोरेशनमध्ये मी जवळजवळ 2002 पासून कॉर्पोरेटर म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी भारतीय जनता पार्टीतर्फे काम करतो आणि 2005 ते 8 मध्ये प्रेसिडेंट होतो ठाणे शहराचा. आता पण प्रेसिडेंट आहे. त्यामुळे चांगली संधी एक चांगल्या कार्यकर्त्याला भारतीय जनता पार्टीने या ठाणेसारख्या शहरामध्ये मला दिली आहे आणि या ठिकाणी तुम्ही आज मला बोलून या ठिकाणी माझा सत्कार केला त्याबद्दल VNI संस्थेचं पण मनापासून या ठिकाणी आभार व्यक्त करतो. दुसरं एक हे जे स्टॉल धारक आहे माझे यांना एक विनंती आणि एक आव्हान आहे की मी पण माझी एक संस्था आहे विश्वास सामाजिक संस्था. मी त्या ठिकाणी गडकरी रंगायतांच्या समोर शिवसमर्थ मैदान आहे. त्याच्यानंतर गावदेवी मैदानामध्ये आत्ताच मी 2 महिन्यापूर्वी त्या ठिकाणी एक्झिबिशन भरवलं होतं आणि जवळजवळ 150 स्टॉल धारक त्या ठिकाणी होते. आपण त्या ठिकाणी 10 दिवसाचं 10,000 रुपये त्या स्टॉल धारकांकडनं विश्वास सामाजिक संस्थे म्हणून त्यांच्याकडनं आपण भाडं घेतलं. पण एक चांगला प्लॅटफॉर्म त्या ठिकाणी जे उद्योजक आहेत त्यांना आपण उपलब्ध करून देतो. दरवर्षी 2 एक्झिबिशन करतो. तुम्हाला जर गावदेवी मैदानामध्ये या स्टॉल धारकांना एक्झिबिशन करायचं असेल तर पूर्ण सहकार्य त्या ठिकाणी मी करेल. आणि त्यामुळे चांगलं त्या ठिकाणी हा CKP हॉल आहे. त्यामुळे आज तुम्ही स्टॉल धारकांनी या ठिकाणी आपापला प्रोडक्ट या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट केलाय. परंतु गावदेवी मैदानामध्ये जर आपण स्टेशन परिसरामध्ये जर आपला प्रोडक्ट त्या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट केलं तर त्या ठिकाणी चांगलं मार्केटिंग आणि चांगली लोक त्या ठिकाणी तुमचा खरेदी करायला त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना संधी भेटेल. आणि त्यामुळे तुम्हाला जर कुठल्याही प्रकारची मदत पाहिजे असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी संजय वाघोले तुमच्या पाठीशी भक्कमपणे या ठिकाणी उभा राहील. त्याच्यासाठी पुन्हा एकदा VNI संस्थेचा मनापासून एक आभार व्यक्त करतो आणि माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
नागले आणि मिस्टर अँडेलेला स्टेजवर बोलवायचं आहे. appreciation. Thank you so much. Avinash, Hindi. बोलायला.
So a small announcement I have to make. We've already crossed 150 blood donations and a heartfelt gratitude to all of you to pledge blood for this noble cause. Thank you all of you. Thank you all dignitaries. Thank you sir.
त्यांच्या सिरियल मधल्या स्टार कास्टला इंट्रोड्यूस करतील आणि नंतर आम्ही सगळ्यांना चौकवरती घेऊन येऊ.
स्टार प्रवाहावर सिरियल चालू आहे, अजूनही आहेच म्हणायला पाहिजे, कारण उद्या त्यांचा महा एपिसोड त्या सिरियलचा शेवटचा होईल. त्याच्यामुळे अजूनही ती सिरियल आहे. उद्या संपेल. तुझेच मी गीत गात आहे. जवळजवळ 2-2.25 वर्ष आम्ही सिरियल करतोय. आमचं एकत्र कुटुंबच झालेलं आहे ही सिरियल. म्हणजे यामध्ये माझ्या दोघी नाती आहेत, त्यांची मी तुम्हाला आधी ओळख करून देते. या दोघी अवनी तायवडे ही स्वरा म्हणून भूमिका करते त्या ह्याच्यात, आणि अवनी जोशी ही पिहू म्हणून भूमिका करते त्या. माझ्या या दोघी नाती आहेत त्या सिरियलमध्ये, आणि दोघी इतक्या खट्याळ आहेत ना, म्हणजे शूटिंग करायला खूप मस्ती करतात, खूप माझा ओरडा खातात, पण तेवढंच सिरियसली काम पण करतात. म्हणजे या वयामध्ये 8-10 वर्षाच्या वयामध्ये एवढं काम करणं म्हणजे खरंच खूप कठीण गोष्ट आहे. आणि ह्या मुलीने तर जो महिनाभर बदलापूरला दरम्यान त्या उन्हामध्ये तिने काम केले, कुठेही काही जरारत नाही किंवा कसला आरडाओरडा नाही, काही नाही, अगदी मनापासून तिने हे केलेलं आहे. या दोघींचं खूप कौतुक आहे आपल्याला.
भेटायची इच्छा आहे, तर जेव्हा आपलं चालू होईल तेव्हा मी त्यांना त्या स्टॉल्सवरती घेऊन येईन. थँक्यू. अवनीला तिची आई घेऊन आलेली आहे, श्वेता, आणि अवनीला तिचे आई बाबा आणि आजी, तिची खरी आजी, ते तिघही आलेले आहेत.
Doesn't sound like a BNI yes. Can I have a BNI yes? Are you ready? Yes! How many of you want to walk out with a referral for yourself? Say I! Again, not BNI. Can I have a BNI? Lovely. So just to help our dignitaries here, what are we going to do? It's pretty simple. We are going to do a power one-to-one format. How many of you know power one-to-one format? Okay guys, let's not cheat. Those who are there in the morning, please don't raise your hands. Be honest. Okay. A power one-to-one format is where you get to represent your business in under 2 minutes, and that's what helps you generate a referral around the table that you're sitting at. Once a referral is generated, please understand this is a commitment to connect to the person that you want to get connected with. The fortune is in the follow-up. So you have to go ahead and talk to the person, do a structured BNI one-to-one 90-minute meeting, and that's going to help you get connected to that referral that they have generated here. Is that clear? Yes? Okay, so let's get started, guys.
दे डॉक्टर कम से कम 10% तो ले लो यार। नेक्स्ट थोड़ा सा वियर्ड पिक्चर है, नेक्स्ट लीजिए। बट दिस इज द केस वेयर द पेशेंट वाज operated for. You can say if this color change in the varicose veins and deep vein thrombosis is just in 1 hour. आप अपने इस नाचिस दोस्त के लिए तालियां बजा सकते हैं। These are the case of Steven Johnson syndrome. The next, she came from New Jersey. She was a case of Boston Eye Hospital, world's topmost eye institute, and we could help her for her eye issues. The color change now you can. Yes, a failure case of hair transplant. 2 times hair transplant, almost 3.5 lakhs of rupees. छाती के और गाड़ी के बाल निकाल के और steroids देने के patient came with the swollen face and many times PRP. को जो स्कैन किया है, ये जो आर्टरी यहाँ पे ओपन दिख रही है, यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रही है, completely open, and believe me, this measurement is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter के लिए स्टेंट भी नहीं है। बाईपास ओपन क्रेनेटोमी, यस सर देख खड़े खाली बजे हैं, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट ब्लॉकेजेस है, ब्लड क्लॉट है ब्रेन में, साइज इवैक्यूएटेड। नेक्स्ट there is no blood flow, so there is no structure, but here middle cerebral artery is open, and the same patient who was in coma was advised for the surgery, open brain surgery, is driving a car. He is running a paneer factory in Liberty. Thus March, there is no image, classified plaque of 20 mm means 2 centimeter का blockage है brain में, जो 44 days में 8 mm में लेके आए। राइट इंटरनल कैरोटिड आर्टरी इज विजिबल, पोस्टीरियर कम्युनिकेटिंग आर्टरी इज विजिबल, एंड 104 साल के पेशेंट्स के लिए भी। कैंसर पेशेंट्स अगेन रेफरेंस फ्रॉम BNI. सो केस ऑफ स्किन कैंसर, एंजियोसार्कोमा, विदाउट अ स्टीरॉइड, विदाउट एंटी कैंसरस ड्रग्स, विदाउट रेडिएशन, विदाउट कीमो, कैंसर इज नेगेटिव, पेट स्कैन इज नेगेटिव, and this patient now I am getting year 22nd referral from BNI Jaipur, BNI Agra, BNI Sydney, BNI New Zealand. Patients are traveling, and the initiative again I thank to the team Alexia, they gave me opportunity that I can share this information because I am based in Thane. So my contact sphere, my first priority is you guys. You should know what exactly we can do. That's why ये पूरा संसार हमने किया है। Is it a painful? It's a very common question. Where Dr. Jayawant, a radiologist, he said this is impossible case, and she was suffering many medical issues, treated bleach therapy, and her post of color doctor reports was stating.
Please get up for our title sponsor, Dr. Prashant Rathod. Thank you guys. Also very important.
ओके, मैं पहले दिखा दूँ कंप्रेशन क्या होता है। आप जब तक कंप्रेशन नहीं देखोगे तो मैं कितना भी कुछ भी बताऊँ तो आपको समझेगा नहीं। तो मैं पहले दिखा दूँ कंप्रेसर क्या होता है। टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स में ल्यूमेटिक प्रोटोकॉल्स चैप्टर के मेंबर है नीलेश अंतरी जी, जिन्होंने हमसे कंप्रेसर लिया हुआ है ब्लास्टिंग इंडस्ट्री, ब्लास्टिंग के लिए यूज करने के लिए। एक 6000 स्क्वायर फीट में मेरा क्या फैक्ट्री सेटल हुआ। जो कपड़ा हम पहनते हैं इसको पहले एक रफ यूज वॉशिंग करने के बाद जो फाइनल प्रोसेस होता है कि डाई इंडस्ट्री है, यहाँ पे हमें मेजरली हमारे कंप्रेसर्स डाई इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा लगे हुए हैं।
Are we going to keep our eyes, ears, everything open so that we can generate reference for
Come on stage, please, guys. Dr. Rathod is
Avni Joshi. Dr. Rathod. Thank you for coming. आणि I'm sure stall owners खूप मजा आली आहे.
Mangesh Kumar. My company name is Powertech UPS Enterprises. We are manufacturer for industrial UPS inverters and stabilizers. What we do is we take the guarantee your power will never go off. We not only just install batteries, we light up your factories and your working spaces. That's what we do. These are our products which we manufacture here. This is totally a made in India product. We are not importing a single part from China or any other country. We are using it here. For next 2 minutes, what will happen? Well, we'll panic. Gossip करेंगे और कुछ नहीं होगा. Let's say the power failure is there in a hospital facility where the ICU is there. Critical patients are being treated. So what will happen is just because doctors are here, in a couple of seconds someone will lose his life. In a minute, the whole hospital there कहते क्या हो गया मेरा कोई किसी कुछ तो हो गया. So to avoid such accidents, we provide critical power backup systems to hospitals, logistic companies, computer institutions, schools, colleges, or any banking or pharma, wherever the power criticalness is required. So we are catering to also almost all the possible sectors in market. Why Powertech, if I'll say, you'll get a warranty till 9 years. After 9 years, you don't have to scrap this off. This unit you don't have to scrap this off. We'll refurbish this UPS for you and will allow you to use it for another 9 years. That's the beauty of the product. That's the beauty of made in India product. So these are a few of my esteemed clients and my friends as well. Whoever wants to connect with these people, I'm open to connect with you.
I'm going to get you connected with someone in Kolhapur. They are going to be probably your distribution partners.
So just now I was asking Amir why everyone is saying good morning. So this is greeting. Good morning everybody. So I'm Prachi Goyal, CEO and owner of Piso and Tourist Company. Created and latest world-class machines for dry cleaning as well as wet cleaning processes. We are also having spot cleaning machines. We are, I'll also make you through all the services later. So as this slide, it talks about the services that we offer. So we do everything in dry cleaning from function wear, party wear, blazers, sarees and all the costly and designer wears. We are also providing services for sofa cleaning services and curtains, carpets, upholstery, and we are having a customer database of 7,000 people. And recent success story is we have also done sofa cleaning order and curtain cleanings in Malabar, thanks to one reference from BNI. So this is the process that we have at Piso. This is the spot cleaning machine at the left side and shoe cleaning process. This is the hydrocarbon technology that we have. So this is pure dry cleaning without using any hazardous chemicals. This is environment friendly and it does not harm the customers as well as my employees. So this is a non-hazardous process.
And how many of us are going to give our wardrobes to Prachi? Just 2 of you? 3, 4, 5? Everyone in the room? Awesome.
व्यासपीठ आणि समोर बसलेल्या सर्वांना माझा नमस्कार. खरं तर कार्यक्रमाला मी उशिरा आलेली आहे. लवकर आले असते तर थोडंसं सगळं काही बघता आलं असतं. पण मला असं वाटतं एक सोशल कॉजसाठी तुम्ही सगळेजण एकत्र येऊन अशा प्रकारचं ब्लड डोनेट कॅम्प असेल किंवा इतर गोष्टी तुम्ही करताय
ते बघून खरं तर खूप आनंद होतोय की आपल्या ठाणे शहरातली सगळी मंडळी आहेत आणि या एका व्यासपीठावरती येऊन तुम्ही सगळ्या जणांनी असं आपले योगदान दिलेलं आहे. मला असं वाटतं की सोशल वर्क फक्त पॉलिटिकल लोक करत नसतात, तर तुमच्या माध्यमातून पण होत असतं आणि ते तुम्ही आज करून दाखवलेलं आहे. इथे बरेच चेहरे ओळखीचे आहेत आणि त्याच्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं मनापासून आनंद होतो इथे आल्यानंतर, कारण थोडंसं दडपण होतं की कोण आहेत काय आहेत. फक्त वैदेहीला मी ओळखत होते, नंतर काशींचा फोन आल्यानंतर वाटलं की नाही आपले कोणतरी आहेत तिथे म्हणून. पण खऱ्या अर्थाने तुम्ही अशा प्रकारचं योगदान या ठाणे शहराला देत आहे त्याबद्दल मी मनापासून आपले आभार मानते. आणि माझेही सहकार्याची आपल्याला कधी गरज लागली तर नक्कीच मला आवर्जून आपण बोलवू शकता आणि तुमच्यासाठी मी मदतीचा हात नक्कीच देईन. मला असं वाटतं की ठाणे शहर हे मुख्यमंत्र्यांचं शहर आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे या शहरात कोणत्याही गोष्टीची कमतरता आपल्याला कधीच भासणार नाही, कारण मुख्यमंत्री देखील तेवढेच तत्पर आहे आणि त्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली आम्ही सातत्याने काम करतो. आणि गेली 18 वर्ष या राजकीय कारकिर्दीत काम करत असताना वेगवेगळे अनुभव आणि वेगवेगळं काम करण्याची संधी मला मिळाली आणि त्या माध्यमातून एक लोक माझ्याशी जोडली गेली आणि मला असं वाटतं ती फ्रेंडशिप कायम ठेवलेली आहे मी आणि त्या माध्यमातून मला इथे येण्याचा योग आला. वैदेहीची मैत्री मला असं वाटतं की जस्ट 1-2 महिन्याचीच असेल, 1-2 महिनेच आम्ही भेटलो असेल, पण ती कायम लक्षात ठेवलेली आणि कायम प्रत्येक कार्यक्रमाला ती मला बोलवत असते आणि आपल्या माध्यमातून मला इथे येण्याचा योग आला. त्याबद्दल आपले सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार मानते आणि असंच काम करत राहा, कारण पॉलिटिकल लोक प्रत्येक ठिकाणी पोहोचू शकत नाही किंवा गव्हर्नमेंट सगळ्या ठिकाणी पोहोचू शकत नाही, पण आपले मदतीचे हात आपण जर असेच दिले तर मला असं वाटतं या सहकार्याची गरज ठाणेकरांना पण आहे आणि इतर लोकांना पण आहे. तर आपण सगळ्यांनी मिळून, कारण आपलं शहर सुंदर करायचं आहे, आपल्या शहराला मदतीचा हात द्यायचा आहे आणि त्या माध्यमातून आपण काम करतात त्याबद्दल आपल्या सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार मानते आणि इथेच थांबते. जय जय महाराष्ट्र.
फक्त आपल्या डॉक्टर्स किंवा बिझनेस कम्युनिटी करता फक्त मॅडम न्यूज उपलब्ध नसतात, तर प्रत्येक ठाणेकराकरता आय थिंक त्यांच्या बिझी शेड्यूलमध्ये कधी म्हणजे सकाळी नाही तर रात्री सुद्धा त्यांनी वेळ दिलेला आहे आणि वन ऑफ द हार्डेस्ट वर्किंग पीपल आय हॅव एव्हर मेट अँड आय हॅव एव्हर नोन. सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच मॅम. आणि आय रिक्वेस्ट कार्यकर वेगळ्याचे संदीप कार्यकर टू प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड आणि आमच्या सगळ्यांकडनं एक छोटंसं टोकन तुमच्यासाठी नाही मी संदीपला रिक्वेस्ट करेन तुमच्याकडे. आणि आपलं एक छोटं